In this tutorial, I'll show you how to integrate Jotform with Monday.com. Open your browser and go to jotform.com, then sign in to your account. From your dashboard, find the form you want to connect and click Edit Form. In the Form Builder, click the Settings tab, then select Integrations from the left sidebar. Use the search bar to find Monday.com and click the integration when it appears. Choose Create an Item as the action. This will automatically create a new item in your Monday.com board whenever someone submits your form. Next, connect your Monday.com account. Enter your API key, then click Authenticate and complete the authorization process if prompted. After the connection is established, select the board where you want new items to be created, then choose the appropriate group within that board. Now map your Jotform fields to the corresponding Monday.com columns. For example, map the name field to the name column, the email field to the email column, and any other fields you want to transfer. Once you've finished mapping the fields, click Save to complete the integration. Finally, publish your form if needed, then submit a test response to confirm that a new item is created in your Monday.com board automatically. That's how to integrate Jotform with Monday.com. Thanks for watching.